Hi, you guys. We are going to do a little bit of a subtraction review today. So let's first, before we begin, let's talk about our special symbols in subtraction. So can I get a silent hand in the air? Who can tell me what this symbol right here is? That is our minus sign. It's our subtraction symbol, and that lets us know that we are going to have a group of objects and then we're going to take away some of those objects. So that minus sign also means we're taking away. Next, what is our second really important sign in subtraction? That's our equal sign. So the thing that goes behind the equal sign, the caboose of the whole subtraction sentence, this is going to tell us how many are left. When we've got a group of objects, we take some away, and then with equals, that's how many are left. Now, that's a bunch of words. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of modeling. So I've got this big tub of peppermints, but I want you guys to have those cubes, your 10 cubes. So you've got your 10 cubes, I've got peppermints. So I'm gonna throw some peppermints into my bowl right here. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I've got 7 peppermints in my bowl. So that's how many peppermints I've got all together. This is 7 peppermints. That number 7 is gonna start off right here. That's gonna be the first number we plug in to our subtraction sentence. So let's go ahead and write the number 7. I'm writing backwards. If I can manage to do this, it will be fantastic. All right, so I've got 7 peppermints, but I've got 3 really, really special friends in the class who were sitting like good listeners. So I gave 3 peppermints away. So I took away 3 peppermints. That number 3 is gonna go in my next area right here. So we're gonna go ahead and write number 3. So we had 7. We took away 3. Well, let's count how many more peppermints Miss Nettles has left in her bowl. Ready? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. I've got 4 peppermints left. So 7 minus 3 equals, how many do I have left? 4. So we can say 7 minus 3 equals 4. So you guys can model as I use my peppermints. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase my board. Let's erase my board. Let's see how good this is gonna erase. Not the best, but it'll work, right? As long as you guys can see what I'm working with right here, we'll be a-okay. So you guys have 10 counting cubes with you. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of subtraction with 10. So I need to make sure that I've got 10 peppermints in my bowl. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 peppermints in my bowl. Let's do this real quick too. 10 peppermints. Oh, see, guess what I did? I just wrote it backwards. Okay, ignore me. Okay. Consciously, I've got 10 peppermints in my bowl. I don't know if you can see that. I've got 10 peppermints. All right, then I'm gonna take away, I think I'm gonna give 5 away to some of my special friends. So I'm taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you guys can do is you can break off 5 cubes from your stick of 10. So go ahead and break off 5 cubes, and I'm gonna write the number 5 right here because I'm taking away 5. So I had 10 altogether in my bowl. I took away 5. Now how many are left in the bowl? Well, let's count. How many cubes do you still have in your hand? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 that are left. So we know the ones that are left, that number goes at the very end of our subtraction sentence. So go ahead and write the number 5. That means 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right, go ahead and connect all of your cubes back together, and I'm going to erase it, and we're going to do one more sentence with 10. Because I know y'all can handle it. We don't need to do 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s. We're going to do the big 10s, okay? And maybe this time Miss Nettles cannot mess it up. All right, so you put your cubes all back together. So we're starting off with how many? How many cubes are in your hand, and how many peppermints do I have in my bowl? If I remember correctly, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 peppermints. You've got 10 cubes. So let's write the number 10 at the very beginning. 10. I've got 10 cubes. The class has been super, super well behaved. I've got a ton of good listeners. I think I've got 8 of them. So let's give away 8 of my peppermints, and you need to break off 8 of your cubes. So I'm giving away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you pretend caught those. All right, I gave away 8. So I took away 8. So I'm putting my nice, pretty number 8 right here. How many peppermints are left in my bowl? For you, how many cubes are left in your hand? After you've taken off 8 of your cubes, how many are left? Well, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2. Only 2 are left. So I'm putting that number at the very end of my sentence. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. All right, I want you to put your cubes, connect them all back together. That way Miss Allison and Miss Hobbins can pick them up. We're going to do some more subtraction videos later, so make sure you're on your best behavior. You might get a peppermint. Bye.